Welcome to another episode of Recreating Eats, and today we're making burinkle chicken and cheese balls inspired sa BHC chicken na lagi kong nakikita sa mga mukbang. Sa chicken, add salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, egg, and milk. Then set aside for at least 15 minutes. Coat sa seasoned flour, then deep fry. For deep frying, I'm using my Tough Mama electric deep fryer. Meron siyang temperature range from 80 to 190 degrees Celsius. May thermostat, may lid window para makita mo if luto na ba. Plus, it has a lifetime service warranty. And what I love about this deep fryer is pantay talaga yung pagkakaluto. Ang ganda ng color and crispy yung chicken and exterior ng cheese balls. Now, for the cheese balls, combine all ingredients listed, form into a ball. Measure 25 grams, add mozzarella cheese, form into a ball, then deep fry. O diba parang nag-skincare yung cheese balls, pantay na pantay yung color. For the sprinkle powder naman, mix cheese powder, garlic powder, onion powder, powdered sugar, and dried parsley. Add mo na yan sa chicken and cheese balls, then shake. Serve sa box or plate, and ayan, meron ka ng BHC chicken at home. Try mo na rin tong recipe na to and check out Tough Mama Electric Deep Fryer.